Though it may seem like dog food is dog food, not all dog foods are created equal. The quality of pet food products varies greatly from one manufacturer to another, and you can't always trust what you see on the label. In this video, we'll present you the top 6 dog foods on the market today. So if you want to know what dog food will work for your dog, stay tuned. If you want to find out prices and more information about these dog foods, you can check out the links down in the description and comments section below. Now let's get to the video. First on the list as best overall, we chose Orijen Original Dry Dog Food. Though all dogs have the same basic nutritional requirements, what makes a certain product the best choice for your dog may vary according to his age, activity level, and specific dietary needs. For a brand that offers premium dog food designed to suit your dog's natural biological needs, our top choice is Orijen. This brand creates pet foods that nourish your dog's body just as nature intended, and it uses only the freshest regional ingredients and an assortment of formulas catered to dogs in all life stages, from puppy to senior. Orijen follows a biologically appropriate approach to pet nutrition. Each of its dog foods is designed to mirror the type of natural diet your dog should follow based on his wild ancestry. Orijen dog foods are rich in meat and proteins. Each product contains up to 90% meat, which is more than 3 times the amount used in conventional dog food. Furthermore, each recipe contains a guaranteed minimum of 38% crude protein by volume. While a dog's diet should consist primarily of animal products, dogs do have a limited ability to digest plant materials, so digestible grain-free carbohydrates like fresh fruits and vegetables can be a valuable addition. Orijen dog foods contain no more than 20% carbohydrates and only low glycemic, high digestible carbs like lentils, pumpkin, leafy greens, and fresh fruits. Plus, all of the formulas are naturally grain-free. By the way, if there's another product that you would like us to review, go ahead and put it in the comments section down below, and we will make that happen. Next, as best dry dog food, we chose CANIDAE Dry Dog Foods. If you're looking for a premium brand of dry dog food that offers a wide selection of high-quality recipes, our top choice is CANIDAE. An independent and family-owned company, CANIDAE sources its ingredients from other family-owned businesses throughout the U.S., and the company produces every one of its nutritionally dense formulas in company-owned and operated facilities. This brand offers traditional life stages formulas as well as grain-free and limited ingredient recipes. The Life Stages line of products features 7 unique recipes made with premium proteins and digestible carbohydrates. In addition to 3 all Life Stages formulas, there are recipes for senior dogs, puppies, and large breed dogs. The CANIDAE Grain-Free Pure lineup includes 9 grain-free formulas made with premium proteins such as duck, wild boar, and fresh lamb. Each of these recipes is made with a limited number of ingredients to reduce the risk for food allergies. There are also 3 recipes specifically formulated for small breed dogs. Another thing that makes CANIDAE our top choice for dry dog food is the fact that it is an entirely separate brand that is designed to be affordable. The Under the Sun brand is still made by CANIDAE with its farm-fresh ingredients, but it is available at a more affordable price point for dog owners on a budget. If this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, we do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. So if you don't want to miss anything, please consider subscribing. Next, as best wet dog food, we chose Blue Buffalo Wet Dog Food. Wet dog food may be more expensive than dry food, but it tends to be lower in carbohydrates, higher in moisture, and more palatable for some dogs. If you're looking for a high-quality wet dog food, we heartily recommend the Blue Buffalo brand. Not only is Blue Buffalo one of the top manufacturers of natural dog food in general, but it offers 4 distinct product lines, so you can choose the wet food formula that best suits your dog's needs and preferences. The Blue Buffalo company believes that pets are members of the family, and they should be treated as such. This is why the company uses only the highest quality natural ingredients in each of its recipes. Blue Buffalo follows a holistic approach to pet nutrition, choosing each of its ingredients carefully to ensure complete and balanced nutrition without the use of any byproducts, fillers, or artificial additives. Every recipe goes above and beyond your dog's minimum nutritional requirements. In terms of variety, few brands offer as many choices as Blue Buffalo, so you can easily choose between more than 10 recipes. Next is best grain-free, we chose Taste of the Wild Dog Food. Though many dogs can digest whole grain carbohydrates, grains have the potential to trigger food allergies or sensitivities in some dogs. A grain-free dog food should be made with digestible carbohydrates like legumes, fruits, and vegetables, though the focus should always be on high-quality sources of protein. Tastes of the Wild offers 9 dry foods and 5 wet food formulas, all of which are protein-rich and grain-free. Taste of the Wild understands that dogs crave natural flavor, which is why each of its recipes is formulated around real roasted meats like venison, bison, and lamb. Real meats is the first ingredient in every recipe, though most contain multiple sources of animal protein. All of this brand's products are also supplemented with highly digestible carbohydrates for energy and fiber, dried fermentation products for probiotic support, and chelated minerals for maximum nutrition absorption. What really sets this brand apart is its use of novel proteins like bison and venison, which are less likely to trigger food allergies in dogs and are a leaner source of protein than commercially raised meats. It's also worth mentioning that this brand is nearly positive 10,000 reviews on Amazon for their most popular recipe. We would like to hear which of these products you like the most and why, so put that in the comments section below. Next, as best raw food dog food, we chose Primal Pet Foods. Traditional dog foods are cooked at high temperatures in a process that may destroy a significant portion of the original nutritional content of the raw ingredients. Raw dog food is uncooked, which means that your dog gets all of the nutrients he requires without the need for a long list of supplements. Though raw foods need to be kept refrigerated or frozen, no other type of dog food can compare to their quality or nutritional integrity, and Primal Pet Foods is our top choice for raw dog food. Primal Pet Foods offers 9 different recipes for raw frozen dog food, each featuring a premium animal protein that is free from antibiotics, steroids, and hormones. Each recipe is made with 100% human-grade ingredients, including certified organic produce. Because the recipes are frozen fresh to retain their nutritional integrity, you won't find a long list of synthetic supplements. This brand also offers freeze-dried formulas using many of the same high-quality ingredients, which can be rehydrated to create a nutritious, moisture-rich meal for your dog. Though Primal Pet Foods raw food is significantly more expensive than most dog foods on the market, it offers a significantly higher degree of quality as well. You can choose from a selection of raw frozen formulas or freeze-dried recipes, or use one of the brand's raw frozen mixes to create your own homemade dog food. To finish our list as best affordable dog food, we chose Whole Earth Farms Grain-Free. When shopping for your dog, it's important not to shop by price alone, because low-priced dog foods are also typically low in quality. This doesn't mean, however, that affordable brands of high-quality dog food aren't out there. Whole Earth Farms, for example, offers quality nutrition at a more affordable price point than most premium pet food brands. Whole Earth Farms pet foods are made in the U.S. with fresh, natural ingredients to support your dog's digestion, while also boosting his energy levels and improving the health of his skin and coat. Each recipe starts with a quality animal protein and is supplemented with digestible carbohydrates, probiotics, and chelated minerals for maximum nutritional absorption. Not only is this brand affordable, but it doesn't use any corn, wheat, or soy in its products, and all recipes are free from byproducts and artificial additives. In terms of their product offerings, this brand sells 11 dry food recipes and 15 canned foods. Whole Earth Farms offers an assortment of original and grain-free products, including formulas developed for specific life stages and breed sizes, so you can choose the product that best suits your dog. The Whole Earth Farms is the best sellers on Amazon in its category, and we've put a link to that product in the description section below so you can check it out. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss anything. And if you are interested in finding the best prices of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description and comment section below.